Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Marc Jacobs watch. As you can see here, between 4 and 5 o'clock we have a date complication, so we have this date window. So we want to set both the time and the date. Now there are going to be a few key principles when it comes to setting the time and date. Usually when you have a date complication on mechanical and quartz watches, what you want to do is to first pull the crown to the last position where you can actually set the time, and then we are going to set the time at 6:30. And we do that because usually the date wheel is going to engage between 9 and 12 o'clock or 12 and 3 o'clock. So let me show you what I am talking about. So as you can see, now we are between 9 and 12 o'clock. And as I get closer and closer to 12 o'clock, the date wheel has started to change the date, and that means that it is engaged. And we do not want to change the date while the date wheel is engaged. So when I go past 12 o'clock, the date is going to change. And that is why we want to have both of the watch hands in the lower part of the dial. So the easiest way to remember is 6:30. So the first thing is to set the time at 6:30, and then when we want to set the time and date, we are going to first set the date, and we are going to set the date 1 day prior to the actual date. So let's presume that my end goal is to make it the 30th of the month. I'm going to first set the date on the 29th, and then I'm going to go with the watch hands manually past 12 o'clock until the date changes to my desired date, and that way I will know whether I am AM or PM. So let's do that. So what we want to do is to push the crown all the way back in and then pull it to the first position where we can actually change the date. Now I'm going to change the date to the 29th. As I mentioned, my end goal is the 30th. Just like that. So we have the 29th. And now I'm going to pull the crown to the last position, and I'm going to go with the watch hands manually past 12 o'clock. As you can see, the date did not change. And now I'm going to go with the watch hands past 12 o'clock once again. And now the date is going to change. So now I have arrived on my desired date, the 30th. And now I can make it 6 a.m. So 6 in the morning. In case you want to make it PM, we are going to go past 12 o'clock once again. As you can see, the date did not change. We are still on the 30th. And now I'm going to make it 6 PM, so 6 in the afternoon. There are going to be some chronograph models out there that will have a 24-hour sub-dial, as you can see the one right here. But in case you do not have this, that is what you want to do, to follow these instructions, and this tutorial can also be applied to mechanical watches. Now that I have also set the time correctly, I'm going to push the crown all the way back in, and now I know that I am on the 30th and it is 6 PM. So this is the easiest way to know whether you are AM or PM, and in this way your watch is going to change at 12 o'clock. So at midnight the date is going to change. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of this particular chronograph watch by Marc Jacobs, make sure to check the link in the description box below. You will be able to learn how to use the chronograph as well, and also how to align it in case it is misaligned. So make sure to check the link in the description box below, and I will also make a tutorial on how to change the watch battery and how to adjust the bracelet in case you are interested. In case you enjoyed this video guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, also leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see next, and if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, I will see you on the next one.